This is episode 1631. Welcome to the Daily Meditation Podcast. I'm Mary Meckley, and if you are celebrating the American holiday of Thanksgiving, I'm wishing you gratitude and joy with your loved ones. In fact, yesterday I ran out to the store in the evening, and I was shocked by how many people were out shopping. I ran into the grocery store to get a few last-minute items for cooking a huge feast for today, and it struck me that it was very likely that most of the people that I saw crowding the aisles in the store were there because they wanted to create a beautiful dinner with loved ones. That was the reason I was there. And this leads right into today's ingredient for your recipe for gratitude. Our theme this week is all about creating a way for you to live ongoing with gratitude etched into your life. So the ingredient for today is what is referred to in yoga and meditation, seva or dharma, where you are focused on your divine. You're focused on your highest essence. And that's why you would even do dharma or wake up early or anything that is of service to others. That is what seva is all about, service to others, to be useful with your life. So when you think about what you do on a day-to-day basis, what you do weekly or monthly or yearly, what is it that you do that helps others? And as you consider this, notice how you feel as though you're giving with a sense of urgency, a sense of service and joy. When you do give of yourself, even in a very small way, even with your smile or a friendly gesture, or listening to others. That's a great gift you can give others, is simply to listen to them. You are doing seva in these moments where you are useful. You're contributing to the world around you. So as you get ready to settle yourself down and meditate with a Thanksgiving meditation, know that our full guided meditations are on the Sip and Om meditation app. We have this in Android and in iOS. You can try the full app for 2 weeks, 14 days, absolutely free. And with each week's series, you get a journal with a daily reflection question. You can download and keep the journal. You also get a guide, a slow down guide with all the week's meditation techniques organized nicely for you. So that is where you can go a little more deeply with your meditation ritual. So as you sit down with your spine nice and straight, close your eyes, lifting them to the point between your eyebrows or your spiritual eye. And as you meditate today, focus on pulling your awareness from your periphery around you to your center within you. And with your body relaxed, your breath calming down, ask yourself, where can you serve? How can you be useful to others? Very nice. Allow yourself to open up to your highest self. This is what you access when you live your life with gratitude. Become aware of how you can serve others and be of service to the world. Meditate for as long as you feel comfortable doing so. Always end your meditation on a high note. You are so